Vacuum the air exhaust filter compartment on the HP Jet Fusion 300 and 500 3D printer series when prompted by the front panel. At the prompt, touch Start. Open the agent door. On drawer B5, grab the handle and pull to open it. The LED light on this drawer remains on. Unlatch and lift the lid to access the filter. Remove the filter. Vacuum any material in the filter compartment. Put the filter back in the filter compartment. Lower the lid and close the latch. Close the drawer and then close the agent door. On the front panel, touch Finish and then OK to complete the process.